Expert kitchen remodeling services in Clinton, Utah. EagleRidge offers expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Clinton, Utah, enhancing both functionality and home value. Our team begins by understanding your vision and developing a customized plan to transform your space with precision and quality craftsmanship. From modern open layouts to timeless designs, we integrate trending styles with energy-efficient solutions, ensuring a kitchen that is as beautiful as it is practical. Our process includes expert cabinetry, countertops, flooring, lighting, plumbing, and appliance installation, all tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a full renovation or minor upgrades, we ensure seamless execution with transparent pricing and timely completion. With a commitment to excellence, EagleRidge delivers stunning results that elevate your home's aesthetics and usability. Trust us to create a kitchen that enhances your daily life while increasing your property's value. Call EagleRidge in Clinton, Utah today at 801-784-1957 for a free estimate, and let's bring your dream kitchen to life.